Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm finally back with another Sophie and Toffee Elves box video. In this one, I'll be showing you what I made with the February box. Most of my boxes have finally come in, so be on the lookout for more Elves box content. Of all the Elves boxes I've been waiting for, February is the one I've been most excited about. I've been really wanting to try alcohol inks with resin and really wanting this coaster mold. Since this was my first time working with alcohol inks, the first thing I learned was you don't need much when you're mixing it with resin like I did with the blue. It went dark blue fast and it was really easy to mix in the resin. Another thing I learned is that when it comes to alcohol inks, you have to let it do its own thing. I spent quite a while with my heat gun trying to manipulate and shift the resin into a pretty pattern, but once cured, it was amazingly different. Although it wasn't what I did, I still love how they turned out. Key point, alcohol inks have a mind of its own. To give my coasters a final touch, I started painting on the gold UV paint that came in the box, but ended up switching to this gold paint pen because I didn't really like the shade of gold a UV paint is. As you can see, the UV paint that came in the box is more of a grayish gold, and the paint pen that I used is more of a metallic gold. And that's how I made these ocean resin coasters. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you have any questions, definitely write them down in the comments section. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!